This is miracle leaf for stubborn cough, ulcer, or stomach upset. Get 5 to 7 miracle leaves. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Bring it down from the heat. This is what it will look like. If you can squeeze it, go ahead and squeeze it with your hands. But if you don't want to squeeze it, you should place it in the mortar and pound it before squeezing out the juice. Friends, this is my cooked leaf. So I've brought it down the heat, allow it to cool down, and I'm squeezing it. While drinking this juice, you should be very careful. Miracle leaf is very powerful, and you should take the accurate measurement. Don't overdo it. So this one here, once you take it, ulcer, stomach pain will be far away from you. After squeezing it like this, you should get a measuring cup for drugs. Just like this, you're going to measure 5 ml. It should not exceed 5 ml. Take this once daily. Remember, the one for hypertension, the one for high blood pressure, you don't need to cook it. So take this once daily. After meal, don't take this on an empty stomach.